Hi viewers, this is Virtual. Today we can discuss about how to configure the SLA and how to restart the SLA when the case is assigned to support engineer in Customer Service Hub. Let's begin. Open your Customer Service Hub and go to the Advanced Settings SLA. Now we are going to create one new SLA. Type the SLA name. So I am going to configure the applicable from the create on. So can choose the SLA type enhanced or the standard. I am going with the enhanced type and save your SLA. Scroll down. Now we are going to create one SLA item. Give the name of the SLA normal priority cases response. So you can choose the SLA KPI first response or the resolve by. I'm going with the first response and I click the case priority equal to normal. Scroll down. So the success criteria is case first response sent equal to yes. SLA when failure time is I'm going to 50 minutes. So if you want warning time you can configure. I'm going with the failure time only, just to save your SLA item. Scroll down and here you can send the after failure you can send the mail to the case owner. Scroll down, lookup field. I'm sending a mail from my queue. Just to look up queue and choose your queue. So here you can choose the case owner, subject, ticket has been escalated. Here you can choose the case number. That's it. Save and save and close. So like that we are going to create one more item. So here we are going to choose the SLA KPI resolved by. Choose the case when applicable, choose the case item and a priority equal to normal. Case status reason equal to information provided or the problem is resolved. So I am going to kept it to the status reason. So if you problem resolved or the information provided means the case going to resolve. So I'm going to configure the failure section. Send mail. Scroll down and choose the lookup more records. Choose your queue. So send the mail to the case owner. Case has been escalated level 2. You can add more value. You can choose the case title as well. So just save and close, and save and close. So you can activate your SLA. Set as default. By default you can create the multiple SLA, so you can set the default SLA means it will work. So now you can go to the customization and customize the system. Choose the case entity, expand the entity and choose your case entity. So here we are going to change the status reason value. Scroll down the status code. We are going to add one more status code. By defaultly the status code is in progress. We are going to change the status code as a open. So scroll down here. So by default the in progress on hold waiting for details resource. I am going to add one more status reason. So that label is open. So whenever the case is created in CRM, the automatically the open status, I am going to move up this value in the top. I am setting the default value in open. So just save and close. After that you can publish your changes and minimize this one and go to your system setting, administrator, system settings, navigate to your service. So you can see here the by default the SL is past status is hold on. We are going to add the one more status, the open. So now click the OK. So now we are going to create one process for restarting the SLA. Create one new process. Restart SLA. So choose the workflow. Entity is case entity. So now click OK. So when is record is assigned, we need to start the SLA. So check the condition. The condition is the warning the user business unit equal to business unit. Save and close. After that you can type the condition name. If click the second condition, now we are going to change the status. After assigning, we are going to change the case status. So now just save and close. Scroll down, scroll down. So now we are not activated, so now we are going to activate this SLA. So go to change the scope of the organization and activate. So now we are going to test our flow. So create new case. Choose the customer and save. So now we are going to assign this case to support engineer. So just refresh the page. So now you can see here the timer is started. Thanks for watching.